Always disconnect appliances before performing a repair. First, remove the screws located at the back of the control panel. There are 4 screws to remove. Then slightly pull the control panel, lift it up and carefully flip it back. Remove the metal clips by releasing them with a screwdriver. Disconnect the door switch wire harness. Now to remove the washer's body, simply tilt the body towards you and pull it back. Squeeze the plastic clips and release the capacitor housing. Disconnect the wires and replace the capacitor. Then place back the capacitor into the housing and place it back on in place. Install the body by laying in a reverse motion to removing it. Make sure the body is aligned with the metal teeth located at the bottom of the machine. It is okay if the body is slightly shaking at this stage, but it's not supposed to move freely from its base. Insert the metal clips back to their place and apply pressure until they are fully inside the body. You should hear a pretty loud snap sound. Flip back the control panel and slightly push it back. Install back the 4 screws located at the back of the machine. You can find a link for the capacitor in the description of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.